how to find text size settings shortcuts on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find text size settings shortcuts on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and now just look down. Here you will find these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, just click this one here, this one text size, and then just click text size, and as you see here you can manage it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.